Okay, today is February 7th, and happy 4-week birthday to, is that Kenji? Well, that's Samurai down at the bottom, the red one. Yeah, and that's Kenji, the black and tan, and that black and tan over there is Katana, and over there, almost always sleeping, is Chowder. Oh, you playing dead on your birthday, huh? Yeah. There you go, ready? Here, let me come over this way, see if you guys will follow me. See if they're at that stage yet. Oh, Kenji just loves to wrestle. Oh, you heard me say his name. There's Katana. So Kenji, when they're in their little whelping pen, if I call them by name, they come over. Oh, look. What is Samurai thinking over there? He's like, I'm 4 weeks old today. What kind of mischief should I get into? Then over there you have Katana. Who knows what she's thinking. Then over here, there is the black and tan. That is Kenji. And Chowder's sitting in the food. So happy 4-week birthday to them.